Hi everybody. A few of you indicated you were having a little bit of trouble finding the recordings that we've been doing in Collaborate, so I just want to make sure that I take a minute to walk you through that. It won't take very long, I promise. What you're going to do is start up here in the Content tab, and under that you'll find a list with roster, course description, course groups, course image, courses open, and Blackboard Collaborate. Now, under Blackboard Collaborate, you'll see a link that says Join Session, and that's what you want to choose if you're able to make the live session. If you're not able to make the live session, then you'll want to come over to these ellipses over here. Click on the ellipses and you will find another list, and at the bottom of that list is View All Recordings, I should say toward the bottom. And that is going to take you to a list of all of the recordings, and you can just click on which one you need to watch, and that will take you right to everything that we talked about in the live session. It's better to be at the live session if you can, but we all have a variety of responsibilities and schedules, so it's okay if you can't. You can still have access to the tips I give and things like that. So I hope this helps.